Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an OKX account. So once you reach the OKX account, you're going to be greeted by this page where it says faster, better, stronger than your average crypto exchange. So you have various options on how you can log in or sign up. You can either go to the top right here, and then you can click on login or sign up. But in this case, we have the email address, and then we have the option here where it says try OKX. So we are going to click on this. Now it says, let's get you started. Select the country/region that exactly matches the one on your ID or proof of address. So country/region, I'm going to use Argentina, for example. Now it says, by creating an account, I agree to OKX terms of service. So you are going to go to the left side here, and then you're going to click on the checkbox, and then you're going to click on next. So now it says, tell us your email. Enter the email address you wish to use for your account. So under email address, you can add your email, or it's also optional. You can add your referral code, and then you can click on sign up. But let's say that you don't want to only use your email. You can also try to sign up with your Google, Apple, Telegram, or wallet account. Now it says enter your email code. We've sent a code to your email address. So now you just need to go to your Gmail or your mail app, and then look for the code from OKX, and then you're going to enter it here. Now, after you've entered the verification code, now it says verify your phone. Enter and verify your phone number for your account security. So under there, you're going to enter your phone number. Then it will say enter your phone code. We've sent a code to that phone number. So you're going to check your messages app on your phone, and you're going to enter the code. Now, after you've entered the code, you're going to create a new password. So you can type whatever you want, and then if you want to view the password, you can just click on this I button over here. And there you go. We have successfully created an OKX account.